more baby goats. This here's Spanky. And then Buckwheat's in the back. I'm gonna take a video of them. That's Buckwheat. Well, hi Spanky. Spanky home. Be home soon, buddy. Bodie, leave him alone. We just, man, oh man, we just picked up our 2 male breeders. New goats. They ain't been around guardian dogs, so they're a little, they'll come around. Man, he's 100% Kiko. He's Kiko and boar. And they're just incredible genetics, so I'm really excited. That's Buckwheat, and that's Spanky. So welcome to Split Nut Ranch, Buckwheat and Spanky. I'll get in there closer. What are you barking at, Bodie? Hi guys, look at you, cutie. This is Spanky. Bodie. This is Spanky, and this is Buckwheat. Hi Buckwheat. Hi Spanky. Hi Spanky. Oh, you guys are beautiful. Man, look at those ridge lines down their back. Look at this. Good looking males. Boy, these guys are gonna be studs. So, welcome to Split Nut, Spanky. Hi Buckwheat. Hi Buckwheat. Man, look at that. He's gorgeous. Gorgeous animals. He's tricolor. He's got the more boar ears. And he's got the Kiko ears for sure. But his mom's Kiko and his dad's Kiko. His dad's Kiko and mom's, I believe, got some boar in her. And that's good. Look at that. Beautiful colors. You guys want to read by me? That's okay. They're a little freaked out by the dogs. They ain't been around dogs, but they'll all go away. Those two ain't been around dogs either. They were around llamas. And now Bodie sleeps with them. They sleep with Bodie. These guys will come around. They're just going to be homesick for a while, missing their buddies and mom. Boy, look at that. Gorgeous goat. Well, how are you? How are you? Man, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful lines. Good genetics. Great genetics. I'm super stoked. Good boy. Mellow goats too, and they're tame. I love that, so I can trim hooves and everything. Hi, sweetheart. Welcome, welcome. And how are you doing, Buckwheat? Hey, Buckwheat. They'll get used to things here. Got a pedal there. He's pedaling. He's pedaling. What you chewing on? What you chewing on, Spanky? Good looking goats. Beautiful. Beautiful. Super happy with these. Man. What you chewing on, bub? What you chewing on? Oh, I like it that you're able to get close to them too. They're a little freaked out by the dogs, but they will be for a while. And Delilah's babies are finally growing a little bit, those little half-breeds. Okay. Well, I'm going to put a video up, so show everybody YouTube. Show everybody YouTube beauties. Alright. These two are growing really good. Really. Hi, Star. Hi, Hope. Hi, Hope. If I can get her to stay off the roof. Look at you two cutie pies. Look at you two cutie pies. Boy, you're a lover. I like that. Come here, Buckwheat. Good boy. Bodie, you got him freaked out, buddy. Y'all get used to him.